Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Forex Blossom, where you can find simple explanations of Forex concepts. So we're live trading again tonight. There are a few pairs that I'm looking at, so we'll just get right into it. The first thing we always do is go and look at Forex Factory. It's Friday. There's some yellow euro folders. I would count. I wouldn't really count. No. I would use caution. I would take precaution with euro today. 1 GBP folder and a ton of orange and yellow USD folders. I would advise to stay out. My rule of thumb is three or more folders that are of a yellow or orange color equates to a red folder, and we always stay out of red folders. So we're gonna trade triangles again today. I'm looking at AUD CAD, AUD NZD, EUR GBP, and GJ. So let's get right into it. I've already drew my triangles out, but what we typically do is we look to see what the patterns are starting from the weekly. This is a cascading downtrend. Overall, looks like we're doing some type of uptrend though. We're in an uptrend now. Let's see what the daily's looking like. For the whole month of June, we've just been going up and down, up and down. We've been consolidating, which is what this pair typically does. That's interesting. It always does like an uptrend in the beginning of the month, and then it does like this consolidation. So that's interesting. It's been doing that since March. Okay. Moving right along, 4 hour. At the 4 hour, you can kind of see that we have price triangled in here. It's kind of respecting. We have a clear picture on the 4 hour. It's respecting our lines. My bias, my bias is that this is more than likely going up. What is this, ACAD? Yeah. But we'll see what price does. These red lines indicate the weekly open. Like I said yesterday, the weekly open is a very good indicator to help to determine like the zone, where price could potentially go to. The next zone though is we would have to go back up to the daily to see where the next zone is. Oh, and I marked it off. It's this blue area, and we got that from all the way back in March. It hit this high. So if it were to go to the upside, this 94 would more than likely be where we will see price. Otherwise, it could potentially fall back down into this 92 region. So let's hit up the 1 hour, see what it's doing there. We're still in our triangle. Okay, so we're waiting on ACAT. I think NZD already broke out. Now it looks like it's retesting. Looks like it's retesting. Yeah. So, wait, what are these? Why do I have these lines here? Oh, okay. So, again, I told you about the weekly opens. What I do is I look for weekly opens on the 1 hour using my handy dandy indicator. I look for weekly opens, like the closest weekly open to where price action currently is, and that's what these blue lines represent. Oh, I didn't do the drawdown for this one. Let's start with the weekly. consolidation for years. Years and years and years. All right, daily. Yeah, we're doing something. We're this is still like a consolidation. It looks like it's still it's trying to make its way up. 4-hour price has broke our triangle, and it looks like it's looking to retest a little bit and possibly continue down, more than likely to the weekly open, this past Monday's weekly open. Possibly that could be. Well, that's what I believe the story is telling us, actually, because we broke the triangle. We gotta trust our analysis. So anyway, yeah, so here we are on the 1 hour. I may get into this one. Like I said, this was a weekly open back. Yikes. Back June 12th. That's the closest one before we hit this week's weekly open. So, it broke that area. It broke that weekly open. So now it's going to retest it. And more than likely, this will drop. And this will drop back down close to this zone. So that's cool. And my sister friend told me about these positive, how the banks trade positive numbers. So yeah, that's positive 106. So that's good. All right, we're just waiting. We're waiting. EURGBP. I'm not. Okay, so we broke out. No, did we break out? Oh, we broke out. Okay, we broke out to the downside. Okay, so we're waiting for the retest. EURGBP. We did this yesterday, but I can go over it again. It looks this pair consolidates. This is one of those pairs that likes to consolidate. Yeah, even on the daily, it's just up and down, up and down. 4 hour. Oh, come on. What's happening on the 4 hour? Yeah, so is this a break? I would say that I wouldn't say that it's a breakout just yet. I gotta see some more action. This could be a breakout, and we broke we didn't. Well, price didn't come below. I'm not sure. Price didn't come below the daily open. So this blue line indicates the daily open. Price didn't actually make it past that. We did wick. So I'm not putting too much stock into that just yet. I'll see a retest, and if it starts going down, then hey, we'll get in. That's on the 1 hour. And then GJ's doing something funky. My bias on GJ is that it's headed up, because we've been in this zone since Monday. It's just been going up and down, up and down. And we were in a downtrend for the past 2 weeks. But usually when price stalls out on us like this, I get a funny feeling. I feel like this is it's going to split. This could potentially go down a little bit during London, and then just zoom up during New York, the New York session. I don't know. I would definitely be waiting on this. Like I need clear. It's got to be clear to me that we breaking out. But in the meantime, I think I might get in AUD NZD. and for a sell. That looks good to me. I'm not sold on EURGBP yet, and like as I previously said, EURGBP and GJ are negatively correlated, so that means when one pair is going up, the other pair is going down. Oh, and we had some news. Did we not have news? Yeah, we got some EUR news, so I'm waiting till 2 to get into those. I would, at this time, more than likely get into, what did I say? AUD and ZD for the time being. So we're waiting on the others. All right, next time I chime in, we'll hopefully see some movement. Hey guys, I wanted to show you the result of our triangles. This is GJ. I wound up staying out of the market and falling asleep. But anyway, this is GJ. We had a nice little fallout here. I don't know what ACAD did. I think, actually, no, I did sell AUD, NZD, but then I got out around here, because I just, this pair moves so freaking slow. But anyway, on to the next trade week. Hopefully you like our video. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.